Hey guys, it's Kayan here with another your one-stop channel for pretty much any and everything. I ordered this beard growth package on Amazon. It just came in today. Kind of surprisingly. Showed up on Victoria Day here in Canada, but I wasn't expecting it until Wednesday, but it came in, so we'll be doing the unboxing, see what's in there, and as time goes by, I'll be dropping videos showing you guys how it's going. If these things work, there's supposed to be a few things in here, so let's take a look and see what happens. And of course I'll be showing you guys my my beard, where it's at now, and as things progress I'll show you guys what's taking place. So here we go. And as you can see, it says beard growth kit. I don't know, I thought I was expecting a bag, not a box, as it showed on the ad. This looks different, but let's see. Okay, I don't know, let's see. I'll add pictures, or I'll add pictures of what it looked like when I saw it on Amazon. So let's see if everything's in here as it was displayed on there. So there's a bit of I don't know. Looks like it was sunk in. That was Little Man making noise on the couch, but yeah, here we go. Let's see. There's a box, so maybe. Let's see. So this looks like. Let's do this. Let's take everything out like that and place them there. And then in here there's a comb and there's a bottle. That's it, nothing else. Let's put that over there. There's the comb and there's the beard growth oil. One sec. Okay, so let's see what's in here. In here it says beard balm, and of course that's the Derma Roller. What else is in here? There's something else. There's a little scissors, and that's it. And this, I think there was a mask of some sort. What is it? I don't know. I remember seeing something like this. I don't know what this is used for. Maybe after you apply stuff, you cover it for. I don't know. But this cannot be like a mask to. I don't know what this is, but anyways, this is also in there. So yeah, it looks like everything that was advertised. I just wasn't expecting it in a box. So again, I'll check with I'll check my orders online with on Amazon and see if it is exactly like this. And yeah, this is in a sealed bag. So let's open it up and see There you go. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but let's put it against something white. Doesn't make much difference, but there you go. It's just yeah, there you go, that's better. Those little needles in there. Yeah, it's plastic, of course. There's not a lot of play. Yeah. Yeah, so as time goes by, I'll be giving you guys an update on how strong this is, if it lasts or not. But like I said, the roller, this mask looking thingy, and small bag for storing, beard comb, scissors, beard oil, looks thick. Of course, they're all made in China. And let's see if we can crack this open. Is it twist? I guess it's a twist. And there you go. Let's smell it. Smells okay. There's a fragrance to it. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. So like I said, guys, I'll keep you updated. I'll post pictures of my beard now going into this routine, and I'll keep you guys posted on the results. Thanks for watching. Bye.